What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put alternate attire on any superstar in WWE 2K26. So as you can see, this CM Punk has different types of attires which I got from the showcase, and similarly I want different attires for my superstars. So let's say I want different attire for Seth Rollins. So in order to do that, we need to download different attires from community creations. So for that, firstly go back to the home page, then go to the online tab. Under it, select community creations, then go to downloads. Now select superstar, and then we need to search for the superstar whose attire we want to download. If you want to download different Roman Reigns attire, then you can just go for Roman Reigns and then download his attire. I'm just gonna show you that process in a bit. So let's just wait to see the community creations here. Now you can see different types of creations have been shown to me, but I want Seth Rollins attire. For that, press Y on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation, or Z key on your keyboard in order to open this menu. Make sure to select superstars from these categories. Go down to bottom, add a hashtag of the superstar whose attire you want. So I want Seth Rollins attire. For that, I'll just go to custom, then type here Seth. If you want to download Randy Orton attire, then just search here Randy Orton and then go to enter, add the hashtag and hit search. Now you can see different types of Seth Rollins creations have been shown to me. I want to download this attire, so for that I need to select it. So this attire is looking good, I want to download it. For that I need to go to download and download the creation in your game. But make sure that the creation you are downloading, the creator has to use the official roster of the game, cause if the creator hasn't used the official roster, then you need to manually put this attire on your character. But the creation I am downloading here has used the official Seth Rollins, that's why I don't need to do anything manually. The alternate attire will be automatically put on my superstar. I want to download another attire, so let's say I want to download this one. Then I need to select the superstar again, then go to download and download the attire or download the superstar in your game. Once your downloading is done, then we need to go back to the home page. For that we need to press B or circle. Now switch to the creations tab, select superstar from here, and then we need to select the superstar whose attire we have downloaded. If you press R1 or RB, then you will be able to find the alternate attire category, and you can see all the alternate attires or superstars you have downloaded from community creations here. As you can see, I have downloaded AJ Styles, Seth Rollins, and this is the another alternate attire. Now firstly select your superstar by going to him, so he will be in S. Select the superstar whose attire you want to edit or do anything related to it. So this is Seth Rollins, I need to select him, then choose alternate attire. Now you can see this is the default attire. This one is the one which I downloaded, which was in gold color, and this is the third one. So let's say I want to edit this one, then I need to select the gold attire like this, and now it will open the creation zone. From here you can go to attire, and then you can see this is the attire I have downloaded. If you want to make it your default attire, and make it default by pressing R3 button on your controller. Now if you want to import any of the attire, so let's say I want to get Roman Reigns or John Cena's attire on my Seth Rollins. So for that, go to the different attire slot, then select import attire from here. Select the superstar whose attire you want to get on Seth Rollins. I want John Cena's attire. For that I need to go to J. Select the superstar, so here is John Cena, I need to select him. Then choose the attire which you want to add on Seth Rollins. So I want his ring attire, I'll select that. Then press Y or triangle to select all of this stuff here, and then select accept. And now you can see John Cena attire has been added on my Seth Rollins. You can just go to the entrance attire as well and import John Cena's entrance attire similarly. So this is the process to import any of the attire. Now to save these changes, press the main menu or accept key, and then the changes will be saved. Again go to accept, and now select save and complete, and the completion will be done for your alternate attire. So you can go through the same process for adding alternate attires on your different superstars, and these attires will also be added on your universe mode. Now I need to go back into my play mode to show you how the attire looks in the match. So I need to select any of the match type, then select your superstar, and now you can see the attires have been shown here. This is the John Cena one, this was the blue one, and this is the gold one. I want to select this gold attire, then confirm it. We need to select our opponent, Now let's start the match and see how the attire looks in our game. There you go, you can see Seth Rollins is looking sick. So this is the entire process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.